Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set manually liquid glass widgets on your any Galaxy device, and this is absolutely free. Actually guys, I will find liquid glass widgets for my Galaxy device and I will find free widgets on Play Store. I didn't find any liquid glass widgets on Play Store. Then guys, I will decide I apply manually liquid glass widgets on my Galaxy device. So let's begin. So guys, first I download glass widget photos in PNG format like this. You can see this is PNG format and this is completely transparent. If you want to get these photos on your Galaxy device, then simply check out description. Guys, not only this, you can download many different PNG images like this. So now I will show you. Simply tap, go to widgets and add gallery widget. Now guys, tap and select image. I will choose any PNG image. Simply tap on done, and guys, you can see this is completely transparent. Now I will decorate this widget. Simply tap. Now tap on edit, then simply tap on sticker. Now you can see stickers. And after tap on sticker, you can see many stickers in this. Simply choose any sticker and set. Simply tap and save copy. Now guys, simply create stack. Go to gallery, select this image, and you can see our widget completely look like liquid glass widget. You can see this is completely transparent like iOS. Now I will show you another widget. Tap, add widget. Go to gallery and simply add, tap and select image. Now this time I'll select circle, simply tap, decorate. Now you can see I will add stickers, or you also add emojis on this, or you create your avatar on this widget. Now simply tap on save. And you can see, simply tap save copy and simply replace this image. Now guys, you can see I will add widget manually on my Galaxy device like iOS 26 widgets. Now you can see guys, these widgets completely transparent and completely look like liquid glass widgets. For final look, simply download liquid glass icons free from Icon Pack Studio. This app also download link available on description, and apply icon pack from Goodlocks theme park. Now you can see our device completely convert into liquid glass. Simply add more icons on home screen Now guys, you can see our device completely change into Liquid Glass UI, and I will set manually Liquid Glass widgets also on my Galaxy device, and this is absolutely free. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.